In this video, we'll study about the capacitance of the isolated conducting sphere. We have a sphere. So since it is a sphere, it is a uniformly or it is a symmetrical body. That means the radius of curvature of this body will be same all over the surface. The radius of curvature will not vary, and hence the charge, if we give any charge from infinity, suppose we bring a charge onto the surface of the sphere, then this charge will be uniformly distributed because of the uniform radius of curvature. Now again, the important thing here is the isolated part. Now when we say that the sphere is isolated, that means that there is no medium and no external charge, no other charge other than this, that is present in this in the vicinity of the sphere. So hence it is an isolated sphere, no medium around it, that is it is kept in a free space, and the only charge on the surface of the body is q, and there is no other charge, no other external charge in the vicinity of the sphere. Now when we have a charge q over the surface, then at any point r, or we can say that if we take the radius of the sphere as r, then we can say at any point on the surface the potential will be given as kq upon r. This we have already studied. Now if we put the value of k, it will be equal to 4 pi epsilon naught. This epsilon naught we have already studied that it is the electrical permittivity of the free space. So since the sphere is kept in the medium of free space, hence we are using 1 upon 4 pi upon epsilon naught. Suppose if epsilon naught was not there, suppose the free space, the free medium around the sphere was not there, and this sphere was kept in some kind of medium, let us say water or oil. If there was a medium around it, then we will have another constant which is called relative permittivity. So in that case, the value of k, in case of a medium of relative permittivity epsilon r, the value of k will become 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught epsilon r. So in that case, the value of V, the potential on the surface of the sphere, will become equal to 1.1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught epsilon r q by r. This is the radius of the sphere, so capital R, q by r. Now if we calculate the capacitance of this sphere, then in previous video we already studied that q is equal to cv. So that means c equals to q upon v, and if we substitute the value of v here, then q will get cancelled out, and what we will get is 4 pi epsilon naught epsilon r into the radius. So this will be your formula for a sphere kept in a medium of relative permittivity epsilon r. If there is no medium, that is, if there is free space around the sphere or it is isolated, then C will be equal to 4 pi epsilon naught r. So we have to be careful about reading the question, whether we have to justify whether the sphere is kept in the medium or it is kept in the free space, and accordingly if it is kept in the medium, then this will be the capacitance, and if it is kept in a free space, then this will be the capacitance.